Good morning, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we have here is our 325 horsepower 351 Windsor. For those that are looking for some just beautiful engines without all the thrills and the horsepower, we can still make these engines gorgeous with more serpentine kits. We dial them in. We still run our MSD distributors, our Edelbrock intakes and carburetors. We can set them up and feature them to run with different types of oil pans, what have you. Again, this is a 351 Windsor with 325 horsepower. This has the beautiful style track system on here. We're running the MSD and the Edelbrock carburetor. I'd like to fire this up, give you a little run demo. Again, this is our 325 horsepower, 351 Windsor. If there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. Thank you for logging on. Peace and God bless.